Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the Slack error 403 verification required. This issue usually happens when your workspace has enterprise mobile management or a security policy enabled. It can also happen when your device has not been properly verified by Slack. First, make sure you are using the official Slack application. Avoid using outdated versions or modified clients because they may fail security checks or trigger this error. Go to the official Slack website by searching for Slack and make sure Slack is fully updated. Now log out of Slack completely, then log back in to re-trigger the device verification process. This may be required under the enterprise security policy. After that, update Slack to the latest version if you have not already done so. Older versions may not support the latest security or EMM requirements. Now try switching your network or device. If you are using a company or enterprise workspace, the next step is important. Contact your workspace administrator and ask them to verify or whitelist your device. In most cases, only the admin can approve access when EMM policies are enabled. Finally, try signing in again after your device has been verified. Slack should now load normally. That's it. We just learned how to fix the Slack 403 app verification required error. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delph Stack tutorial video.